What's up, guys? Brendan here. Just gonna bring you guys along today. Me and Hart and maybe Henry are gonna go to the track and run the car that we've been building that he bought off of his nephew. It's a 2003 Mustang GT. He bought it from his nephew, blown motor. So we put a junkyard 2-valve back in it. Did full UPR suspension front and rear, and yeah, we're just gonna take it to the track, see how it runs, and then the plan eventually is to do an on-3 twin, or I don't know if twin or single, I can't remember which one he said, but on-3 turbo kit in the long run. So I'm gonna go to the house, grab the trailer, head back to his house. We're gonna load the car up and then head to the track and see what she runs. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. Hang tight. All right, guys, got the trailer hooked up, headed back to Hart's house. Gonna see how we can load this thing up. I don't have D-rings on it yet. That's definitely on the list, but we're gonna head back, get his car loaded up, and head on to the track. Here she is, all loaded up. Just went and got some straps from Tractor Supply this morning. Got her all loaded. Had to do it a little differently than I normally do my car, but new trailer, different car that I've loaded before, and so everything's good to go though. And we're gonna hit the road here shortly. We out here. All right, guys, just showed up to the track. Gonna unload Hart's car and get it off the trailer. About to get it off the trailer. All right, come on back. Good. Yep. All right, guys, gotta go get the car teched in. So we're gonna roll back there and let them look it over. All right, there he goes. Let's see what she's gonna run. I'd say it's pretty packed. All right, guys, car's pulling up. About to do his first burnout in there at the track anyways. Yes, sir.
Natural walkers, funny cars, stores, fireworks, and of course, great T-Series race, sportsman match race, so much more. So come on out, once again tomorrow night. Real shows at 7 and 9 p.m. followed by fireworks.
My man's got to run a rail. Not very long. All right, they're about to go.
That's as fast as that can go.
14:26 at 96.87. right, let's go, Hart.
Yeah, almost exactly 24 hours from right now. We'll be back on track with Extreme Band Fire, session number 1 of the Fire School.
There we go. What do we got? 14:23 at 97. Fourteen 12 at 98. All right, Hart, let's get this 13. This 13. Oh, so close. All right, guys, this is the next day. Got Hart's car back here. Just a little rundown on the car. I realized I didn't give you one last night when we were at the track. It's a bone stock 2-valve, other than full UPR suspension from the front to the back. The engine stock. It's got a Mac, some kind of Mac exhaust on it that he got, pretty cheap. Other than that, it's suspension and a tire is literally the only things done to the car. We weren't expecting much. We would have liked to get it in like the 13 range, 13.9, 13.8, something like that. The car weighs 3420 with him in it, and I think that was like a quarter tank of fuel, so it's pretty light. So like I said, we weren't expecting much, but I'll show you guys the time slips. So first pass, let's see, got a 14.2.6 at 96, and the 60 foot stayed pretty consistent all the way. Got a 2.0 on that run, 2.1 on that run, 2.0 on that run, and 2.0 on that run. This was his best pass of the night, this 14.12 at 98. And then second pass was a 14.237, and the last pass of the night was a 14.136 at 97. So pretty consistent. I mean, it went 14.2s the first two passes and 14.1s the second two passes. So we were out there for, I want to say, 5 hours or so, and it just wasn't getting any faster. It was hot. It was like 2400 DA or something like that. So we just decided to pack it up and bring it on home. We just wanted to get a baseline, see where the car was at. The plan, like I said, is eventually to go single turbo on 3. So he's gonna get, you know, his money saved up, and we're gonna slap that on eventually, and see how much we pick up in the quarter. We'd like to get it dynoed right now just to see where it's at. So we might hit up Dyno Tune Performance out in Virginia Beach and put it on the dyno, see how much it's making right now, and just go from there, do the turbo, and then get it on the dyno and back on the track, see how much we pick up. But it's been fun. Hart's learned a lot, and I mean, that's what it's all about. So I'll leave you guys with that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and you guys take it easy. Thanks.